Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses far southeastern Missouri, far south central Illinois, a tiny bit of south central Indiana, most of Kentucky, far southwestern Virginia, most of Tennessee, far southwestern North Carolina, northwestern Georgia, northern Alabama, northern Mississippi, and eastern Arkansas. Cities in today's enhanced include Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Birmingham, Alabama, and Knoxville, Tennessee. We have a slight risk today that encompasses east central Missouri, most of Illinois, much of Indiana, far southwestern Ohio, northern Kentucky, far southwestern West Virginia, far southwestern Virginia, western North Carolina, far northeastern Tennessee, northwestern South Carolina, parts of northern Georgia, central Alabama, central Mississippi, north central and northeastern Louisiana, and central Arkansas. Cities in today's slate include Indianapolis, Indiana, Atlanta, Georgia, St. Louis, Missouri, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Louisville, Kentucky. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather today. Cities in today's marginal include Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina, Durham, North Carolina, and Montgomery, Alabama. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 10% chance of tornadoes today. A 10% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses far southeastern Missouri, far south central Illinois, much of Kentucky, most of Tennessee, far northwestern Georgia, northern Alabama, northern Mississippi, and eastern Arkansas. Cities in today's 10% tornado risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Birmingham, Alabama, and Knoxville, Tennessee. Alright, now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses the entirety, well, not the entirety, but a lot of the 10% area. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger today. Again, black dash meaning highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Huntsville, Alabama, Chattanooga, Tennessee, and Clarksville, Tennessee. And again, the black dashed area meaning the highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger today. Alright, so moving forward, there is a 5% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses parts of eastern Missouri, much of Illinois, much of Indiana, parts of Kentucky, far southwestern Ohio, southwestern West Virginia, far southwestern Virginia, eastern Tennessee, far southwestern North Carolina, north central Georgia, central Alabama, central Mississippi, far northeastern Louisiana, and parts of Arkansas. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Atlanta, Georgia, St. Louis, Missouri, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Louisville, Kentucky. Areas in the dark green are in a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, Montgomery, Alabama, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Okay, so moving forward to the wind threat, there is a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers south central Kentucky, central Tennessee, northwestern Georgia, northern Alabama, and far northeastern Mississippi. Cities in the 45% wind risk area. Why is this update on me? Cities in the 45% wind risk area today include Nashville, Tennessee, Birmingham, Alabama, Huntsville, Alabama, Chattanooga, Tennessee, and Murfreesboro, Tennessee. There is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses far southeastern Missouri, a tiny bit of south central Illinois, a tiny bit of far southern Indiana, much of Kentucky, far southwestern Virginia, western and eastern Tennessee, extreme southwestern North Carolina, parts of north central Georgia, central Alabama, northern Mississippi, and east central Arkansas. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Knoxville, Tennessee, Clarksville, Tennessee, and Sandy Springs, Georgia. Areas in the yellow are in a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today in the yellow, and the brown is the 5% wind risk area. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Atlanta, Georgia, St. Louis, Missouri, Louisville, Kentucky, and Jackson, Mississippi. And the 5% includes the cities of Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, Cincinnati, Ohio, Greensboro, North Carolina, and Durham, North Carolina. Going to today's hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses far southeastern Missouri, far south central Illinois, far southwestern Kentucky, western Tennessee, eastern Arkansas, and far northwestern Mississippi. Cities in the 30% hail risk area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Bartlett, Tennessee, South Haven, Mississippi, and Collierville, Tennessee. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 30% hail risk area. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Memphis, Tennessee, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Bartlett, Tennessee, South Haven, Mississippi, and Collierville, Tennessee. Again, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Areas in the yellow are in a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, and areas in the brown are in a 5% hail risk today. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Nashville, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Louisville, Kentucky, and Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky. And the 5% includes Charlotte, North Carolina, Atlanta, Georgia, Cincinnati, Ohio, Greensboro, North Carolina, and Montgomery, Alabama. So, in summary, multiple rounds of severe thunderstorms are expected today through this evening, centered on the mid-deep south, Tennessee, lower Ohio valleys, and Cumberland Plateau. Tornadoes, some of which could be strong, along with scattered to widespread damaging winds and large to isolated significant severe hail will be possible. So, that's the day one outlook. So, anyway, have a way of being notified today for severe weather, whether it be your phone, TV, or radio. So, stay safe in the affected areas today. Have a way of being notified for severe weather and for both today and tonight. And before you go to bed tonight, be sure to have something to wake you for severe weather warnings in the event that it goes into tonight, whether it be your TV, phone, or radio. And if possible, sleep in your safe place tonight to avoid moving at night. So, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, and my Day 2 Outlook will come out later today. Take care.